Welcome to Tuscany and the area close to Lucca. In my eyes, the most beautiful and vibrant area in Italy. The hillside north of Lucca, with small villages like Matraia, Segrominio in Monte, Tofori and San Gennaro, is the heartland of the best olive oil in Italy. In the middle of this beautiful agricultural landscape, in the hillside, you find the church of Sant'Andrea in Caprile, and just above, the most beautiful farmhouse with garden and pool, completely restored over the last 40 years in the original Tuscan style, in all details. Sun all day and a breathtaking view. Ciao, my name is Aurora, and today we are in the hillside north of Lucca. And as you have seen from the video, we are today visiting the house Il Coppo. So let's go right now and have a look at the house, at the main apartment. The buildings consist of one main structure and one apartment, with the main apartment over 2 stories. But there is a staircase to one of the 2 apartments below, which gives you the option to have 1 or 2 apartments for summer rentals, while you and your family live in the main apartment. Both the apartments down below have kitchen and bathrooms, bedrooms, and living room for a rainy day. Here I'm sitting in front of the small apartment, Moraiolo, that it has a kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom. And here we are in front of the apartment Lecino. Inside you can find 2 stories with a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and a living floor. In the garden, you find the olive trees, which are harvested every year. But you also find various fruit trees and a lot of flowers in this terraced garden. Walking down the stairs from the house to the pool area, you have the view over the flat landscape below, from Lucca to Monte Carlo and Pescia. And on the other side, you see the Monte Pisani, the Pisa Alps. If you have ever dreamed about Italy and Tuscany, now is the chance to buy one of the most beautiful historic farmhouses in this vibrant part of Tuscany, in Sant'Andrea in Caprile. Thank you for coming along with us, visiting Il Copo. And again, I'm so happy you came along. Ciao!